Wedding season is right around the corner.
We have 6 different dresses that you might want to wear. I have 3 and Cindy has 3.
Yep, we didn't go matching this time.
No,
we chose just our favorites. And we're going to show you what we liked and didn't like about them.
Up first, I have this really cute floral midi. I guess I'd call it a midi. And it has smocking across the top and one shoulder. I love it. And actually, I wore this last year to a wedding. So, and it's still available. And they have a couple other colors as well. But it is super comfortable. You either have to wear a strapless bra or no bra, since it's one shoulder. And I do no bra with nipple covers. So maybe we'll show you those nipple covers too. I wear them all the time. The bottom is just nice and flowy and comfortable. Oh, and it has a short lining underneath, lining to the knees. I love it. I kept it, obviously, because I wore it to a wedding, and I will probably wear it again sometime.
It is super cute.
Yeah,
I like it a
like
lot.
it.
My first one was this long, it's not quite a maxi, but maybe more midi to maxi. It's a green Swiss dot with a pleated skirt. It's really cute. It was a little iffy just looking at it on the hanger, don't you think? It was iffy, but once I got it on, it's really cute and very comfortable. If you're going to an outdoor wedding and it might be hot, this doesn't stick to you, and it really breathes well. I like it a lot. It also has the neck tie if you wanted to tie it. I just left it down because I like a nice V-neck. What's next, Tina?
This was my second one, and I love it.
It is so cute.
It might not be good for an outdoor wedding because this might be like you get sweaty and stick to you. But anyway, I love it. It's form-fitted, which, I don't know, in some ways you might say it's not good for a wedding. Too sexy. I don't know. I didn't feel like I was being sexy in it, but you have to make that decision on your own. But it's long, it comes down to your knee, so you're not showing a lot of leg. But anyway, it's comfortable, like super, super comfortable. Also comes in lots of colors. There's patterns and solids. Like they have this exact blue, but in a solid without the flowers on it. So if you don't like the flowers, you can try out a solid. And it is also, you really can't wear a regular bra with it. So you have to wear a strapless or nipple covers or a stick-on or something like that. Mm-hmm. But I think it's worth it.
Yeah, it's really cute. I like it too. My second one is this dusty rose color dress with straps as sleeves. I think it's really cute and dressy looking. It comes to my knees. The only thing I could say is you would have to wear a bra with the clear straps, because you can definitely see my straps, and either a high-waisted thong or pantyhose. When I tried it on at first, I had nothing on underneath. I was going commando, as they say.
Some people do it.
Well, the problem with that is the dress, it needs to be a little tight. You don't want it too loose because it's a fitted dress.
Right.
But it showed every little inconsistency in my booty.
Yeah, but if you're wearing a thong, isn't that the same?
Same thing. Yes, that's what I'm just saying.
Okay.
That's the problem with it.
If you had Spanx, I have never found a pair of Spanx that are comfortable, that don't roll up on my leg.
Right. And that was actually my husband, when he mentioned he could see the dimples in my booty. First, I gave him a scathing look, and then I said, what am I supposed to do about that? Spanx roll up, or you can see a line.
Yes, on the leg.
Yeah, I hate that. Or you wear pantyhose. Who wears I think it's been like 20 years since I've worn pantyhose.
I wouldn't wear pantyhose.
No, I wouldn't either.
And you know what? We all have dimples.
Yeah, but I don't want them advertised at a wedding.
Well,
they're there. Me and
let's
my husband
hope
know that.
Everybody is staring at your booty
but
at
they
all
will
times.
because
it's so sexy.
Yeah. That's my anticipation, at least. Somebody's gonna look there. Anywho, that was the only problem I could see with that dress. It's super cute and it's dressy and it's modest as well.
My last dress was hot pink, off the shoulder little ruffle. And I loved it. It was cute. It was comfortable. It had slit up the front. I think that could possibly maybe be a little too short. I mean, I don't think it's bad for the wedding. It might be uncomfortable.
I'm curious, did you sit while you had the dress on? Because that slit, you know, if you went to cross your legs or something,
yeah,
it would
you're right.
definitely be
okay.
iffy.
Well, then it's just for walking around, and maybe it's a cocktail
It's
dress
for a stand-up
and not a wedding. God, what is it with me? Can't wear a regular bra with it. Any one of those other three I've mentioned.
It's because you're doing the one shoulder.
No, I like to do something
I know, but
different.
they're cute.
Well, this was on one shoulder, but you still had, because it was see-through, and I don't think you were.
Oh. You could do that too, huh?
Oh, wow. Could you?
Yeah, I
Doesn't
think
look-
you could. How about that?
Look at that.
That is really cute. I like it better this way. My third one is this royal blue. I love the color blue, and I would have ordered all of my dresses in blue or navy, but I just wanted to be different. This is an off the shoulder. It has the little straps that can go over the shoulder, and you can also take those straps off, which I think we both liked it without the straps.
Yeah, the straps were just distracting.
Yeah, and it has the little faux wraparound skirt. So it kind of, if you have a belly, it kind of hides that little pooch.
You don't
if
have
you
a
had
belly.
One. Well, no, I don't anymore, but but I did, and that's something I would have looked for in a dress because it hides all of that.
And it's flattering on everyone.
Yes, it is. Definitely is. Good length, very dressy. That one was probably my favorite of all of the three. Remember, we're going to number the dresses, and we will put our sizes and the link to the dresses if you like them down below. Like and subscribe.
And these are all from Amazon.
Yes. Some other good ideas for a wedding is the jumpsuits that we reviewed a couple of weeks back. There's some really good ones, and we'll put a link right up here so you can go look at those as well. Coming up is a live Q&A, and we've been collecting questions now for a little while,
Yeah.
so we've got some good ones.
Right. That is it for today. Thanks for dropping by. We will see you again.
Goodbye.
Bye.